Hello everyone, welcome to SAS Programming. This video is brought to you by Analytics Finishing School. What is an SAS Programming? SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System, is a software suite developed by SAS Institute for advanced analytics, multivariate analysis, BI, data management, and predictive analytics. So, in very simple words, SAS framework software suite is developed by SAS Institute, and using this, we can actually do certain advanced level analytics. We can probably do BI, that is business intelligence analytics, and we can also specifically manage our information series and generates report through SAS. SAS provides a graphical point-and-click user interface for non-technical users and more advanced options to the SAS language. We're going to see how exactly the graphical point-and-click works in SAS while we proceed through the classes. So for now, you can just see that the user interface pretty much resembles like that of MATLAB and R. So, you can just go ahead, type in the commands and functions, and then you can import your data and then do a plot and see the whole visual representation of your models. In order to use statistical analysis system, data should be in a spreadsheet table format or an SAS format. SAS programs have a data step which retrieves and manipulates data, usually creating a SAS dataset, and a PROC step which analyzes the data. So keep it in mind that in SAS, there are two important steps. In the first step, you actually take the information that you've obtained and then convert it into a format which the SAS software can easily read. Once that is actually done, the second step is to actually start analyzing the information. So the complete software SAS package is divided in these following two steps, okay? SAS software, as I've told you, is a component suite of frameworks and packages, and there are around more than 200 of those packages that we can probably be using. Some of the important SAS components that we can use include Base SAS, which is Basic Procedures and Data Management, SAS Stat, which stands for Statistical Analysis, SAS Graph, which stands for Graphics and Presentation, SAS OR stands for Operations Research, SAS EDS stands for Econometrics and Time Series Analysis, SAS IML, that stands for Interactive Matrix Language, SAS AF, that stands for Applications Facility. Guys, please do not sort of get worried or bothered if these terminologies don't sound something that you've already heard before, because during the classes, we're going to see each of these packages and components in detail and definitely see where exactly we can use which components, okay? So it's just to let you know what exactly a SAS software is and how exactly the components and framework fits in, just so that we understand the whole platform a bit better, okay? I'd like to summarize this session with just an overview of the course, what exactly we're going to be covering during our course session. So the first important thing that we're going to be covering in our course is the introduction to SAS. In this, we're going to be covering just what exactly the SAS software is, how can we operate the GUI of SAS, what are the important data sets that we can probably use with SAS, and how the bigger picture of the SAS really works, okay? So this will give you an introduction to the software. The second is data processing. Basically in this steps, oops, sorry, I made it small. Okay, yep, it's good now. Okay, data processing. In this section, we are actually going to be covering how we can exactly read information, how can we create permanent SAS data sets, how can we create specific formats and labels. We're going to be working with characters and dates, different data types. We're going to be combining different SAS data sets. We're going to be focusing on arrays, iterations, merging, interleaving, etc. The next topic is going to be for summarizing. Summarizing will include output delivery systems, generating reports, displaying dates, displaying graphics, plotting the charts. If you have the model, you've done a prediction, we're going to help you show those predictions in the most possible beautiful way so that all the management teams and your upper management can understand that information in the most relevant possible way. Then finally, we're going to be covering the final case study. This will actually be having, you'll be having a one-on-one mentor while you're going to be doing the case study. The case study will actually be picked up from real-world business problem statement, and you'll understand how exactly the companies are using SAS analytics and SAS software to actually do the analytics part of their engine. Having said that, the final thing that we're going to do is help you crack the interview. It's just one part of it. We are also going to help you give the foundation of the kind of products that you can actually make using the information that you're collecting. We are also going to help you think like data scientist. Yes, definitely. That sounds like really weird. How can anyone help us do that? But we're going to be having separate sessions on this, wherein we're going to be really focusing on developing the mathematical reasoning part of how actually a data scientist would be thinking of that specific position. Having said that, we're also going to be giving you advices on how you can improve your portfolios. Last but not the least, we're going to be giving you websites on which you can apply, and also be connecting you with people whom we think are going to be really important for you to expand your knowledge base and thereby eventually be more successful with your jobs. Okay. So I look forward to having sessions and detailed classes with all of you. Thank you.